In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to play these cool fills, these cool licks in a progression, okay? So I use this song as an example to teach you how to apply the fills into a progression. So if you're interested, kindly watch the video to the end so that you don't miss anything I'm about to teach you. If you're also new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, a link will pop up over here, or you can see the link in the description in the comments. Just click on the link. It will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Before we start the breakdown, if in case you do not see the song groove of this lesson we're about to go through, kindly click on this link, or you see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Go check out the groove if in case the song didn't start. Okay guys, with the song, some of you know that I'm not good with the lyrics, I'm not good with the voice, so I'll try and break down the song and also try and let you understand the progression so that you can also find this progression out there and also apply the fills, the licks, and all these runs in the song or in any progression out there, okay? So I want you to manage my voice like that. The song was played on key C sharp, your C major, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, okay? And let me start with the song. So it says da 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 da. Okay, I hope you understand the song. So the progression on that goes like this: da 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 fa, da 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 so. Okay, so let me break that part for you so that you can understand. So in case you know a song that the progression is going from fa, so you can also do what I'm about to teach you. So this is what I played in the song. I played the same thing with a voice. Ah, da, da. Okay. Okay. So these three notes go the same with the voice. Da, da, da. Then I applied la, so, fa. That is a passing note. Okay, so da, 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 da. Okay, so re, mi, re, do, la, so, fa. Okay, so that is the start. Da, 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 da. Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay, it's just simple. So fa, fa, re, re, so. Okay, so now to your la. So now the progression on so, now to your la, ti, do. Okay, so put it in mind that the progression is da 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 fa, da 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 so. Continue. La, ti, do. Okay, so it is not compulsory that what I'm about to teach you here, you apply it, you must apply it. No, you can take maybe a fill from I did la, ti, do. You can take that from this groove and apply it to another song. Okay, so let me break it down for you. Re, mi, re, do, la, so, fa. So now to my re, I played sol, la, re. Okay, so put this in mind, you need to remember them. Okay, re, mi, re, do, la, so, fa, sol, la, re. Now to your so, and I did the passing note again, la, re, so. Okay, so learn this part, fa, so. Okay, now to your la, da 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 da, da 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 da. Now to the la, da da. Okay, so this alone, this la, ti, do is even a key thing. You can use it in any song that you know that the song is going from la, ti, do. You just need to understand the progression and understand the groove. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, so la, mi, fa, la, ti, fi, so, ti, do. You understand? You see how easy it is? So re, mi, re, do, la, so, fa, so la re, so la mi fa re ti fi so ti do. Okay, so you can learn that too. The little finger plays the la, mi fa. Okay, you see, la mi fa, la ti fi so ti do. Okay, so mi fa fi so la ti do. Okay. Okay, then you start again. So now I'll be applying a lick from fa re so. So watch it. Da 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 da. Do ti la so fa. So now you see how you can go from your do to fa instead of you playing dun 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 dun. So you can do it two ways. Either you do, or you can do. Okay, there are many ways you can do it, but I'm just to teach you two today. Okay, so dun, 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 dun. Okay, so do ti la so fa. So now your fa and your re, I'll be playing a lick over there. So fa. Okay, so fa fa la re do. Okay. Fa fa la re do. Okay. Okay. Fa fa la re do. Fa mi re. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Then to your so la ti do re so do. Okay. So you see, so the second one goes like this. Ba, ba, dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 da. Okay, so you see how easy it is. So la ti do re so do. Okay, so now let's move on to the G. The progression goes from da 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 da. Okay, so do re so. Okay, so do la re so do. It is two ways. Okay, so this is the first one. The second one will come maybe at the end of the video. That is where I'll be applying the rest. Okay, so my feel from my do to the re goes like this. So when you end the song, dun, dun, dun. So put that in mind. So la do re, so la re. Okay, so la do re, so la re. Okay, so la do re, so la re. So la, you see? You see, so la do. My first finger plays the do and the re. Then the second finger. Then you play your re. You continue. You see? So G. Da 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 da. So la ti do re mo mi la. So now I'll be coming back to the re. So la so fa mi re. Okay, la so fa mi re la re so la ti so do. Okay, so G ba na da 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 da. Okay, so now let me continue, and it goes like this. Da-da, da, 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 da. Da-da, da, 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 da. Da-da, da, da, da. This is also a cool progression. So do, do, re, re, mi, fa, fa, so, 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 okay, and you do, so, re, mi, fa, so. Okay, I hope you're getting it. Da 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 da. Okay, and it goes like this. Do, so, la, do, re, mi. That is re, mi. The normal do, so, la, do, re, mi. You remember your do to your fa, okay? So, do, so, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, so, fa. Da, 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 da. Okay. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. The second one also goes like this. Da, 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 da. Da, da. Okay. So this is the second one. Okay. Okay. Re, mi, re, do, la, so. Mi, re, do, re. Then to your mi. Re, mi, re, do, la, so, fa. Re, so. So, la, ti, do. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. Okay. Ba, ba, ba. Okay. So, la, ti, do. So now to the okay, so so now let's look at the second part, because the first one I told you that da, 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 you start from your re, but now you start from your fa. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. Da, 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 da. So you remain on the fa. Okay. Da, 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 da. Your la. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Okay, so me not playing. Da, 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 da. It's like you're playing just the fa. So this is where I applied the long lick over here to my fa back. Okay, so do, do. Okay, so it goes like this. Do, do, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi. Okay. Do, do, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi. Then you continue. Fa, fa, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, fa. Now you end. So now you continue on the mi, fi. Okay, so mi, fi, si, la. So this is a la progression. La, la, ti, do, mi, ti, do, ti, la. Okay, you can also use this la. Just keep it in mind, okay? So to your re. Okay, so if you are playing a C sharp, know that on your on your fifth string, you have a tone if you played freely. Okay, so this is what I did. To my re, I played fa, mi, mo, re. Then I played as a tone and your re. Okay, so fa mi mo re, re do la so, re do la so mi re la so. Okay, re do la so mi re la so la ti do. Okay, so it's not compulsory for you to use everything. You can just pick one or two stuff from this lesson and try and use it out there. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.